Hello guys and welcome. Today we're gonna unbox a Seagull 1963. I bought this from a website called Polyot24, which I highly recommend. The site is run by a guy named Julian from Germany and he has really good service and contact. So if you live in the EU and want to buy a Seagull 1963, I highly recommend you go to www.polyot24.de. I will also put the link in the description. So let's get to the unboxing, shall we? So on the top you will have a welcome letter and some paperwork. And I believe this is my ordering details, so I will put them aside for now. And this is a welcome card from the website itself. And you will also receive 2 extra pins for free. And here is a newsletter which you also will receive. And here we have the box itself. And you will also receive some snacks from Germany, which I of course will try. And here we have the green NATO strap and a black NATO strap. But before we move forward with the unboxing itself, we need to try some snacks from Germany. Perfect snack for an unboxing video. And it comes in this green box, which is how they arrived to Germany from China. Usually the watch only comes on the green NATO strap, but I got the black NATO strap and this good quality leather band for free from Polyot24. And you can see the watch looks absolutely stunning. Seagull based their first chronograph movement, the ST-19, on the Swiss-made Venus 175 movement. Whereas the Swiss movement had 17 jewels, the Chinese movement used 19, 21, 22, or even 23 joules. And here you can see the beautiful ST19 movement. The ST19 movement is a joy to use. Hand winding on the big crown is easy, smooth and responsive. As you can see, the dial has Chinese characters, a silver metal dial with golden numbers and indexes. The hands are nicely blue. The red star at position 12 fits perfect to the design. The Chinese characters on the dial stands for China and Tianjin Watch Factory. The thickness of the watch is 14 mm with a lug width of 18 mm. This is the official remake of the watch as it was created in 1963, a unique and limited classic masterpiece with a power reserve over 40 hours. The top pusher at 2 o'clock starts and stops the chrono. And here at the back you can see the work of the chronograph itself. And you can see as the chronograph reaches 60 seconds, the minute hand of the chronograph jumps to the 1 minute index. And the pusher of 4 o'clock resets the chronograph nice and easily. This is the 37mm model with acrylic glass. They also make them with sapphire glass and a 42mm case. But the original Seagull in 1963 were made in 37mm and had acrylic glass, and I like the vintage look of it. And here are some pictures that I took. Overall, this is a really high quality watch for its price, and I don't think you can find any better chronograph for the price. It has the quality and the history. Please comment down below if you want me to make a more in-depth video of the Seagull 1963 or if I should do another unboxing video. And that's it for this episode. I'll see you next time.